everyone, my name is Adewumi Oluwashijibomi Israel. I'm doing a video on how to register successfully in MMM. You start from the basics, especially if you are registering for your downlines or for your downlines, or you want to register as a new person that you just heard about it and you have access to this video. This is the process. The video was actually made for my team, MMM Team Passions, but everyone can view it. Now I'm using an Android phone, and this Android phone, these are my icons, as you can see them. And when you are browsing, you can use any browser to access a MMM website, but it's advisable that you use a Google Chrome. Now this is a Google Chrome browser. So we go to Google Chrome, it takes you to this platform. Now I'm going to cancel this because I already have MMM before. Now this is the platform it's supposed to take you to. If it takes you here, you can see that I have a series of other icons here present, but I'm going to assume that these other icons there are not there. So let's say we are typing it for the first time. You go to m. as it's written there, -mmm.net, m.nigeria-mmm.net. Then you say it goes, and it goes. Now this is the icon developed for the mobile application. Although it's also usable on the desktop and laptop, if you put that M there, it's going to take you to a portable website. But if you are using a desktop or a laptop, you could choose not to come to this platform, not to use M. You can just say Nigeria-mmm.net. Now it takes you to a broader version, and this version is adapted for laptops, desktops, and the likes. So there is no different majorly. It's just that when you are viewing it, for example, you are going to do your registration, the way it will display here may be difficult for phone users to use. So that's the way it is. So let me go back to my m.mmmnigeria.com. Now that's the mobile platform. That's the portable one. Now let me quickly say that there is also m.com, which is the fake website. So it's the original website is .net, and it's very important for you to know that. Okay, so there are two ways in which you can get in through. These are the platform calculator of happiness, legality, what is MMM, ideology, and the likes. So, and the same videos that you saw on the broader version. But then there are two ways you can get into registration. You either click this, it's loading, or you come to this. So either of the two, you can get into registration. Now, if you are not careful, you may not know that it has shown below. This is registration, because the platform still shows the same thing, but this is registration here. So this is what you are required to fill. And I'm going to do a prototype of someone I want to register. Permit me use this space. If this user eventually gets to see this, it's just an example. All right, this is Jolade Abiodun Victor. Okay, I made a mistake there, so I go to cancel. Oh, okay. Now this is it. Now Jolade Abiodun Victor. Now this is the name of the person. Now, as you are seeing here, a nickname is also possible. So which means that you can cancel Jolade Abiodun Victor and say you are Vicky, or you can put your pet name, you can put Wifo, you can put Chudi, you can put whatever name you choose to bear. All right, so now the email can be a functional email. These things are showing because I've already used this mobile app to register so many people. So these are the emails of those I've registered before. But because I'm registering a new person, so I type in his email. So now this email is Jolade. Okay, it's Jolad Vic. Now it's 2016 at gmail.com. So I've filled in the details of that person. So this is the email. Now, this email is not, for the purpose of MMM, may not be a functioning email. It may be a dormant email or the rest. But it's advisable for it to be a functioning email. If it is a functioning email, definitely when you have an order or something, MMM will send email to your inbox. You'll be able to see it. So that's just the essence of you having a functioning email. But if you don't have a functioning email, you can just form one and use this as your login. So this email will serve in as your login. So it's very important for you to write it down. Very important. So I pick a phone number that for the person, that's 38413564. All right, that's the phone number of that individual. So as it appears here, okay, I'm just using it as a prototype. You can decide to put your phone number. You can decide to put your own phone number, any phone number you like. But the phone number of this person, because of how personal it is, I won't want to reveal it. So let's just say I put a phone number like this. Okay, sorry. Okay, I put something like this. All right. Now, people who register without putting the actual phone number is acceptable. You just put any phone number you like there. But that one also has a disadvantage, because when they want to get across to you, it won't go. They won't be able to get across to you. So, and one of the challenges that we have with MMM. So this, what I'm doing now, is just a prototype. So definitely this registration will not hold water. Definitely. But I'm just using it as an explanation for you. So when you register, make sure you register a line that can be contacted. 11 numbers. All right. So we are moving to the password. So already I have a password. I just copy and paste. I have another part. You want you to repeat the password, you copy and paste. Now, it's advisable for you, like I said earlier on, to make sure you write in your email that you have registered there and your password. Those are the things that will continue to help you as an MMM participant. Now, the invite. The invite is very important. The invite is the email of the person who told you about MMM. That's the email of the person who told you about MMM. And this is the email of the person who told this person about MMM. So I'm typing this in. Now, if you type in the wrong email, it either gives you the guidance information, it either gives that downline, that person, it gives your registration, it puts this under someone else. You understand? MMM is a system, it's a structural system. So you definitely must be under one person, either you like it or not. You cannot be an island. So if you don't choose a valid invite, or for example, if you are the referrer, the person that referred the person, and you want to help the person to register, putting your correct email here assures you that the person will be put under you directly. But if you make a mistake, the person can be either allocated to your guider or can be allocated to the machine. There are names which the machine just uses to just allocate person. So one thing is that the 10% bonus goes to someone else. So why not avoid being selfish? MMM is giving everybody. When you register to someone, also you benefit from registering someone. So it's good for you to always put a valid email address of someone who is your referrer. Now, if you choose to leave the guider's email and phone number, which it means that the guider of this person, Oshewa JS, becomes your guider or becomes your downline's guider. But if you choose that, okay, because MMM is a liberal system, you can always choose a different guider. So for example, I'm putting this is a guider, this is a guider's email and phone number. But if you leave it both blank, that means the guider of this referrer becomes the downline's guider. So it's not compulsory you fill this guider, but because I want to allocate it under another guider, so that it won't be under this referrer's guider. So that's why I've added this. So now this downline, this person, this new participant has a referrer who is under a different structure and a guider who is under another, who is also in another structure. Now you might say that, is this beneficial or going to affect in the long run? No. it's not going to affect in the long run. The only difference is that if this Oshewa JS becomes a guider, now this, because this individual is in another guider structure, so the person may not be transferable to, okay, the person will be transferable to him because all his downlines automatically becomes his downlines when it becomes a guider. So, but if it is for his downlines downline, so it may not be transferable unless it moves to the different structure. Let me not bore you with more story. We are still going to get to that. Now, this, how do you learn from us? You can choose any option, but majorly you can choose from friends. Now, look at the picture code. If you are not clear with it, you can refresh. It brings you another one. If you are not clear with this picture code, you can refresh. Okay. Now it is giving me J3. I think I saw 3 there. Okay, then that's B, and that's 1. Okay, it has refreshed and given me another one, so let me cancel because the network was bad before. I wanted to refresh and get a clearer one. Okay, EC, that's CU. All right, so it's very important for you to click here. Having read this, if you don't click here, which means that you have not accepted, so it won't go. So after you have done this, you go through it, make sure there are no mistakes. Jelade Building Victor, make sure there are no mistakes, especially with the email and the password and the invite. If there are no mistakes with that, then just say click register in MMM. So it keeps going like that. So you can see that there is a challenge. The phone number already exists. So let's choose another phone number. I don't want to reveal the person's phone number to you. So we want to choose another phone number that's there. So you can put, like I said, you can put any phone number. And once you have done any adjustment, you have to come and change the code. Once you have done any adjustment after choosing to submit, you have to come and change the code. That's the rule. Unless it won't go. So there is the code. Then you take register in MMM. So register in MMM. So sometimes the network may not go. Now it has gone. You can see it reading. Now once it has gone, you can choose to save the password or not. So now it takes you to this platform. Welcome to MMM, and it asks you what is next. Go to your personal office, then follow instruction on how to successfully participate in MMM. So one thing is, you can either choose to go from here, personal office PO, you understand, or just go to login. You come to login. Now if you come to login, it takes you to MMM office. So everybody has a personal office online. So don't forget, I said it's very important that when you are registering and you are forming email, you write down the email and the password. Now this is captcha. This is just like a code to protect hackers from getting to the system, protect anyone from just accessing your system anyhow or your office anyhow. So if you are not clear with this also, you can press refresh. So it will bring you another one that's more clearer. So now you click 1506336. Anytime you don't find at least 7 numbers, then it's not a correct captcha. So you can do that. Once you have done with captcha, take it to the login. And don't forget, I go to the login for this person. And let me let you know that it's also very case sensitive. So if you have used a capital letter, definitely it's going to be case